by Lynette. Lynette, what are we looking at? It's still shaping up with some freezing rain out there, still a possibility.
We are. And when you talk about freezing rain, I just wanted to explain, a lot of people are like, oh, it's just raining, but the surface is at freezing or below freezing, so it freezes on contact. So that's what we have for freezing rain.
And this could extend. I mean, we could see some problems out there tomorrow because of this as well.
Ding, 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 ding. Exactly. I didn't want to say it right now because I'm just trying to get everybody out there.
Right. We have a lot to worry about this morning.
But we refreeze tonight. We possibly maybe delays tomorrow morning as well.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll see how that goes.
Keep in mind.
Speaking of that, let me show you this graphic right here. As we do have those impacts this morning with the icy roads, the slick sidewalks, and I changed that yellow, that little yellow circle right here with the delays and closures because yes, we do have the delays this morning. So we are not doing well in terms of the slick conditions that we will continue with as we go through the rest of today. So the morning commute is not the best, and we do have some caution on that with the icy spots and the slick roads. And then the evening commute is not the best either because not necessarily will we have icy spots out there, but we will have rain coming in, and that could lower visibility at times this evening because it will be heavy at times as well. Now the radar and satellite composite picking up on just a mess, a doozy of colors right now, right? We're looking at different color pinks, freezing rain, sleet mixing in, some snow mixing in across the area as well. Most of the snow is contained off to the north at this point. So if you're going to be traveling into Pennsylvania, that's where you're going to be getting that around Chambersburg, around Oliver this morning, Altoona getting in on this, even around Harrisburg picking up on some snow this morning. And then you widen out the view and then we pick up even more colors, right? But you know what? We'd like to see some of the green out there because we still are in that drought. This is definitely going to help with the drought. Like I said, it will be heavy at times. But the further to the south you go, severe part of this system. We're not in on that. We're on the wintry side of this thing. And with that, we do have those winter weather advisories until 10 o'clock in some spots. And then we are going to continue it until 1 o'clock, northern Baltimore County and also Harford County. A winter storm warning there in the pinks. And the temperatures here support everything that we are getting. Eric, over to you with the timing of this system.
Yeah, once again, Lynette, those temperatures are key and very important across the area this morning. You notice in many locations right now, we're hovering right around the freezing mark, about 30, 32 degrees in most cases. And those temperatures, as we flirt right around that 32-degree mark, is where we're starting to see those issues, especially outside our studio right now. You're getting that freezing rain, that light glaze on your windshield of your car, but maybe not so much on the treated surface down below. So snow and sleet and freezing rain now through about 10 a.m. over just the plain old freezing rain and eventually rain as we get from now through about noon, and then heavy afternoon rain develops with a little bit of a lull between about 10 and 11 o'clock this morning. Should get an hour window there, and then we'll start that transition over. And then most of this is out of here by dinner and supper time. The key there, though, is that word ice or freezing rain. How much of that do we expect? Well, even if you get 1/100th upwards of 5/100ths of an inch, you have major problems, especially the elevated surfaces, the bridges, the overpasses, so please allow some extra time this morning. Futurecast shows that lifting out of the region once we get towards that 9 and 10 o'clock time frame. Then we get a break, and then we transition over to rain, but back towards the west where the colder air hangs on a little bit longer. That's where we're going to see some major issues with icing concerns as you get out towards the 81 stretch. We'll send it over now to Lauren Cook with the latest look at traffic.
Thanks, Eric. 2 crashes on Interstate 70. One just reported westbound between Route 27 and Route